Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rear pan gasket in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new rear pan gasket. The rear pan gasket is mounted at the back of the fruit and vegetables pan shelf. It assists in sealing the pan, allowing it to keep at a more or less constant temperature and humidity level. The main reason why the rear pan gasket would need to be replaced is if it gets torn and won't stay in place. To get it apart, we need to open the fresh food door. Next, I'm going to remove both drawers, upper and middle. Next, I'm going to remove the glass from the shelf. Lift it up and take it out to mitigate the risk of breaking it. Now we're going to lift up the front end and pull it straight out. Tilt it a little bit and remove it. All right, so let's bring it to the table and turn it over. So this is the gasket that we're going to replace. We're going to remove it off. If it's still on, then we're going to take it off by pulling it straight up. This is the old rear pan gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. This is the new rear pan gasket, and if you can see, we have a groove here. So the groove will fit over this edge. Let's start putting it on. All right, now we're going to install it into the fridge. I'm going to slide in the back onto the pins. So we slide the shelf over the rear pins and lower down the front. And we're going to install the glass on. Support it from underneath. And now we're going to install the drawers. I'm going to put them on the rails and slide it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.